Hey, did you hear about the coding competition next month? Apparently most of your comp sci club will also be there.
Mom, leave me alone. I don't want to do it anymore. I don't care about that stuff anymore.
What? But you love coding, and this opportunity will be a great foundation for your academic journey.
It's not like I'm going to college.
Excuse me?
It's none of your business, okay? I just don't want to do anything. Why do I even bother waking up if I'm just going to be stuck in this little apartment? I'm already stressed about everything, and this comp sci competition won't change anything. Who cares about college?
What? I spent all these years working day and night to support you and your dreams, not to mention the hell I've been through working during the pandemic while you stayed home and do whatever you want. Don't you think I would have wished to have had that luxury? Stop being a kid and grow up!
You don't understand me. You don't get me at all. I've been stuck in this apartment for over a year. I don't get to go have lunch with my friends at school anymore. No more hanging out after school. No more basketball games. No more nothing. It's all gone. It's all gone. Who cares about tomorrow?
Okay, stop. What do you think went wrong here?
I don't know. I was just trying to check in on my daughter and trying to help. But she's not taking my advice or doing anything to help herself.
Did she take your advice well?
Not really.
It seems like your mother really wanted to help, but you were annoyed. What do you think happened?
Easy. I was already feeling like crap, and she barges in without knocking and starts telling me what to do.
Great points. What do you think would be a better way of doing this?
Well, I wish she would have knocked first and then asked how I was doing. Would have been nice if she listened to me first before barging in and telling me what to do.
I didn't barge in.
Yeah, but I feel like you don't respect my privacy.
These are all helpful insights. To briefly sum up, you are opening up for the first time how the long months of quarantine has stressed you. You lost motivation for the things you used to love, like coding. This can be a common sign of depression. When talking to your child about their struggles, it's critical to first listen empathically, with the goal of understanding your teenager's perspective. This sets the tone and decides whether the child is willing to open up or shut down. Let's try this again. Remember, let's listen first and then ask open-ended questions that furthers the conversations.
Come in.
Hey, how are you doing today?
I've been stuck in this little apartment for over a year because of the pandemic. I miss lunchtime at school with my friends. I miss playing basketball and even the silly Target runs we used to do. That's how I used to alleviate stress, but it's all gone now. It's all gone. I don't even want to do anything because I feel like every day it's going to be the same.
I'm sorry you're feeling this way. I know being quarantined for so long is making you feel helpless. I am concerned about you and I genuinely want to help you. Is there anything I could help you with?
It's nothing really.
Hey, did you hear about the computer science competition next month? Some of your comp sci club members will be there. This opportunity could be a lot of fun, no?
I'll think about it, but I'm not sure about adding more stress to my life right now.
Okay. Please know that I'll always be here for you. You don't have to go through this alone. Do you think you know why you've lost some motivation?
I haven't been doing well in school. School is distance learning this year, and I'm much more focused in person. Sometimes my computer gets a bad connection and I lose some of class, and then my grades drop, and then I can't get any help. And I miss my friends. Being physically home, aside from the walks, I feel more lonely and isolated than ever. I don't know what to do anymore, and I just feel like giving up on everything.
That must have been really hard for you. I'm sorry I'm just hearing about this now. But you've always had a burning passion for computer science. If you want to give up on your dreams, then you must be really struggling. But I don't want you to give up, okay?
I'm already feeling better. Thanks,